welcome to the Times Most Desirable Women 2016, जिसमें आप देखेंगे 50 of the most talented, glamorous and gorgeous women in the country. I'm Aradhana and I'll be your guide through this spectacular countdown. We put together this list after you voted for the most promising, talented and attractive women on www.itimes.com. अब तक आपने देखे नंबर्स 50 to 31. तो चलिए लिस्ट आगे बढ़ाते हैं और देखते हैं who's featured on numbers 30 to 26.
On number 30, addictive Aditi Arya.
Aditi was crowned Femina Miss India World in 2015, and this beauty represented India at the Miss World pageant. Aditi hai associated with various social causes and has even participated in street theatre to highlight those close to her heart. Unki sensitivity banati hai unhe aur bhi sundar aur bhi special. Aditi recently made her Tollywood debut, and we hope that this congenial beauty keeps getting more and more desirable. Aditi is at number 30 on the countdown.
Want to be in this list. I get to share the space with the most gorgeous ladies in India, ladies who I would follow on TV, on social media, everywhere. So being a part of this list it's an achievement in itself.
On number 29, stunning Sayami Kher.
She had a dream debut with Mirzia, and Sayami Kher is all set to conquer hearts with her fresh-faced good looks. Ye beauty aati hai from a pedigree of talented and beautiful women. So good looks and talent are in her genes. With her captivating light eyes and an expressive face, Sayami ki saadgi aur khoobsurti unhe banati hai sabse alag. This gorgeous young girl is at number 29 on the countdown.
On number 28, royal and ravishing Aditi Rao Hydari.
Gorgeous, glamorous and immensely talented Aditi Rao Hydari sparkles in every frame she is in. A trained Bharatnatyam dancer, Aditi ne apna big screen debut kiya with Tamil film Srirangam and had a small part in Dilli Che before she made her mark with Ye Sali Zindagi. After that, there was no looking back for this fashionable beauty. Rockstar, Murder 3, Khoobsurat, वजीर और फितूर जैसी फिल्मों में अदिति ने प्रूव की अपनी वर्सेटिलिटी. And we can't wait to see more of this doe-eyed damsel on the big screen. Aditi Rao Hydari है हमारे countdown पे at number 28.
On number 27, sizzling hot Shriya Saran.
Born Shriya Saran Bhatnagar, this stunning siren was born and brought up in picturesque Dehradun and Haridwar, learning dance and living the simple life till she starred in a music video that made filmmakers sit up and take notice. Shriya has since featured in several Telugu and Tamil films, going on to star in Hindi films like Avarapan and Drishyam. Shriya is the brand ambassador for Celebrity Cricket League and is often seen flaunting her style quotient on the red carpet. Elegant and graceful, Shriya hai very desirable at number 27.
On number 26, charming young star Kriti Sanon.
This tall and lovely young star is making all the right headlines in Bollywood. A former model, Kriti made her film debut with Hero Panti and went on to share the screen with Kajol and Shah Rukh in Dilwale. Despite being a newcomer, Kriti mein hai poise and confidence, and she's all set to blaze the big screen with Bareli Ki Barfi. With a smile that can break a million hearts and the talent to match, Kriti has a bright future ahead of her as she sits pretty on number 26.
सायमी खेर ने बॉलीवुड में एंट्री करते ही हमारी लिस्ट में अपनी जगह बना ली. Looking at her and all these breathtaking women, it's no surprise that they are on this coveted list. हम लिस्ट को आगे बढ़ाते हैं और देखते हैं who's on numbers 25 to 21.
On number 25, teasingly beautiful Tamanna.
She made her film debut at just 15 and has never looked back since. Born in Mumbai, Tamanna's talent and beauty was noticed while she was still in school. Now a star of over 50 films in Tamil and Telugu, Tamanna is one of the most sought-after female stars for films down south and is one of the highest paid stars as well. gorgeous and glamorous, Tamanna makes heads turn wherever she goes. Movie star होने के साथ-साथ she is also the ambassador for various brands. और इतने साल इंडस्ट्री में होने के बाद her desirability quotient isn't going anywhere. Tamanna is at number 25 on our countdown.
On number 24, fun and fashionable Sonam Kapoor.
B-Town's number one fashionista, Sonam has made Bollywood take notes from her distinguishable fashion choices. Sonam's style is classic, with a lot of vintage and boho influences, and she never seems to have a bad day in the wardrobe department. While उनके stunning good looks का कोई जवाब नहीं, Sonam ने अपनी acting talent से भी audiences का दिल जीता है, with some strong performances in Ranjana, Bhag Milkha Bhag, and winning a national award for Neerja. Sonam is finally coming in her own, confident and individualistic. Sonam है सबसे अलग, and that's what makes her most desirable. This trendsetter is on our countdown at number 24.
On number 23, quite a queen, Kangana Ranaut.
Kangana Ranaut has risen from a talented outsider to an A-list superstar by sheer determination and hard work. She left home in Himachal Pradesh at just 16, and after experimenting with modeling and theatre, Kangana ने अपना B-Town debut किया in 2006 with thriller Gangster. Though she was completely new, Kangana के unusual good looks और acting talent ने filmmakers और audiences का दिल जीत लिया. And she went on to star in several intense roles like in Wo Lamhe, Fashion and Life in a Metro. Blessed with a fabulous figure, Kangana has also become one of the most fashionable stars in the industry. But besides that, she's bold, confident and speaks her mind और उनका ये fearless attitude उन्हें बनाता है very desirable. With films like Queen, Tanu Weds Manu and Krish 3, Kangana has proven that she's here to stay. A beauty with brains, Kangana है हमारे countdown पर at number 23.
On number 22, such a sweet newbie, Nia Sharma.
From playing the girl next door roles on television to being voted one of the sexiest women in Asia, Nia is making heads turn. This petite beauty got her big break on the small screen, playing Manvi and portraying the struggles of a cancer patient for the first time on screen. She went on to play the feisty Roshni on Jamai Raja. Nia is now grabbing eyeballs with her sizzling photo shoots, flaunting her toned physique in top brands. Nia बनती जा रही है more desirable with every passing day and is at number 22 on our countdown.
On number 21, born for stardom, Shruti Hassan.
Born to the very talented Kamal Hassan and Sarika, Shruti Hassan has inherited both good looks and acting genes from her star parents. She has starred in several Tamil, Telugu and Hindi films and is also a talented singer crooning for films and in her very own band. Shruti made her debut in Luck opposite Imran Khan and after several roles down south, returned to Bollywood with Dil To Bachcha Hai Ji, playing Imran Hashmi's girlfriend. She also had a small role in D-Day opposite Arjun Rampal. और इस साल वो फिर दिखेंगी in regional films. अपनी माँ की तरह light-eyed and lovely, Shruti is making her presence felt on this countdown at number 21.
Fashionista Sonam and path-breaking actress Kangana. Ladies and gentlemen, if these talented and gorgeous women gave you goosebumps, then let me tell you that this countdown is going to get really exciting up ahead. Break se wapas aake, we will show you another 10 of the most desirable women. Don't go anywhere, cause I'll see you soon. Welcome back to Time's Most Desirable Women 2016. एक ऐसा countdown जिसमें है thorough research along with your votes on www.itimes.com. We've reached the top 20 on this countdown. So let's get straight into numbers 20 to 16.
On number 20, deliciously pretty, Diana Penty.
Stunningly good looking, Diana made her debut on the ramp way back in 2005 and has modeled for leading designers in India and around the world. As the face of leading Indian and international brands, Diana's versatile face and confidence made her an instant success. This tall beauty made her Bollywood debut with Cocktail, playing the sweet and simple Meera, a role that received a lot of appreciation. 4 years later, wo dikhi in Happy Bhaag Jayegi, where she played the lead role with aplomb. Careful with her film choices and still the face of leading beauty brands, Dinah is creating her own glamorous path, sitting pretty at number 20 on our countdown.
On number 19, dazzling Disha Patni.
With an electrifying on-screen presence, Disha Patni is a star in the making. After a small appearance in the music video Befikra, Disha got her big break in MS Dhoni, playing the cricketer's first love Priyanka. कौन कह सकता है कि ये Disha की debut Hindi film थी? She brought such confidence and charm to her performance that it was hard to take your eyes off. Disha was also seen this year in Kung Fu Yoga, and we hope कि ये glowing girl हमें बहुत जल्द दिखे on screen. तब तक, Disha is right at home on our list at number 19.
On number 18, pretty woman Yami Gautam.
Charismatic and gorgeous Yami Gautam is another beauty who has made the successful transition from small screen to B-Town. After a successful stint as a model and on daily soaps, this light-eyed beauty got a big break when small-budget film Vicky Donor became a huge success. Yami की performance को बहुत appreciation मिला, and she went on to act in films down south and Hindi films like Action Jackson, Badlapur, Sanam Re, and the recent success Kabil, where she held her own opposite superstar Hrithik Roshan. And we can't wait to see what the versatile star has in store for us this time around. Stunning Yami Gautam है हमारे countdown पर at number 18.
On number 17, uniquely appealing Urvashi Rautela.
Next up on the countdown is Urvashi Rautela, and we can already hear a sigh from her smitten fans. Crowned Miss Diva in 2015, Urvashi represented India at the Miss Universe pageant. Her big Bollywood break was Sanam Re, where she grabbed eyeballs in her sensual outfits and toned figure. Urvashi was also seen in Great Grand Masti and appeared in a song in Kabil, flaunting her oomph and panache. Urvashi is a scene stealer and a heartbreaker all at once, making a mark on this countdown at number 17.
Thanks to Zoom, thanks to all the viewers, thanks to Times of India, and thanks to all the entire India, thanks to all my fans and my supporters for having such a huge trust in me, and I love them. I think it wouldn't be possible without all you guys.
On number 16, fair and fabulous Nargis Fakhri.
Born in New York and a former contestant of America's Next Top Model, Nargis has traveled thousands of miles, coming a long way in her career. A Kingfisher calendar model, Nargis had a high-profile debut with Rockstar. Nargis was later praised for her performance as a journalist in Madras Cafe. With comedies like Main Tera Hero and Houseful 3, Nargis found success in Bollywood. She's also an item number specialist and has performed with Shahid Kapoor and Salman Khan for chart-topping numbers. Stunning and successful Nargis is at number 16 on our countdown of India's most desirable women.
From the ravishing Urvashi Rautela to the elegant Disha Patni, these young ladies are stunning, but they also light up the screen with their talent. और इनकी यही qualities इन्हें बनाती है most desirable. देखते हैं numbers 15 to 11 पे who will bring their charm and fresh faces to the list.
On number 15, exotic and elegant Esha Gupta.
Isha Gupta won the Miss India International title in 2007 and made her acting debut in 2012 with Jannat 2. This was followed by roles in movies like Chakravyuh, Hum Shakals, Ras 3D, and most recently Rustam. With a host of films lined up like Badshaho, Hera Pheri 3, and Aankhein 2, we are going to see lots more of this sizzling diva in the days to come. Hot and happening Isha Gupta is at number 15 on our countdown.
On number 14, resplendent Rashmita Harimurthy.
Young and beautiful, Rashmita was crowned Miss Diva 2016 and represented India at the Miss Universe pageant at Manila earlier this year. This Bangalore beauty has worked as a teacher and is currently studying alongside her modeling commitments. Reading, gardening or dance mein interest rakhne wali Rashmita has a stunning personality, and we can't wait to see her go places as she sits pretty at number 14 on our countdown.
I'm completely honored and it feels wow. Like I've seen the lists going every year, and this time I'm featured in it. So excited and super happy.
On number 13, sweet and charismatic Shraddha Kapoor.
Daughter to Bollywood's most prolific on-screen baddie, Shraddha Kapoor has sweet, stunning and very talented. She made her debut with a small role in Teen Patti and bashed up some annoying men in Love Ka The End before finding huge success with Aashiqui 2. The film catapulted her to stardom, and Shraddha has since acted in Ek Villain, Baagi, Rock On 2, Haider and ABCD 2. Soon to be seen in Half Girlfriend, Shraddha hai a complete star with beauty, talent and a great on-screen presence. This gorgeous girl is here to stay and is at number 13 on the countdown of India's most desirable women.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी इन दिस लिस्ट. ये जो प्यार मिलता है वो खास करके ऑडियंस से ही मिलता है, एंड उम्मीद है कि हार्ड वर्क करती रहूँगी एंड अच्छी फिल्में करती रहूँगी एंड दे कीप लाइकिंग इट.
On number 12, absolutely brilliant Alia Bhatt.
इनके petite frame से धोखा मत खाइए. Alia Bhatt is a powerhouse of talent who has managed to strike the perfect balance between commercial and offbeat films. She made her debut as fashionista Shania with Student of the Year, but went on to stun audiences with her performance as a child abuse victim in Highway. कभी चुलबुली, कभी intense. Alia keeps audiences guessing कि उनकी अगली फिल्म उन्हें कौन से रूप में प्रेजेंट करेगी. She received a lot of praise for her performance in Udta Punjab and Badri Ki Dulhaniya, two completely different roles. Talented and stunning, Alia is a superstar in the making and at a rocking number 12 on the countdown.
On number 11, ravishing Radhika Apte.
Unconventional in every sense of the word, Radhika Apte has carved a niche for herself as an extremely talented actor who can carry off any role with ease. उनकी खूबसूरत expressive आंखें और emotive चेहरा बयां कर देता है हजारों जज्बात, allowing her to be strong, vulnerable, smart and sexy as the role demands. Pune से आई Radhika started off in theatre before doing small roles in Bengali, Marathi and Hindi films when she got her big break with Badlapur and went on to give great performances in Hunter and Manji, The Mountain Man. Phobia, Kabali and Pansht have been some of her more recent films. और अपने हर performance के साथ Radhika has only proven that she is a force to reckon with. The diva Radhika Apte is on our countdown at number 11.
Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we have reached the end of today's episode. We have seen some of the country's most talented young women featured on the list so far. I know you have your own personal favorites, जो अब तक इस लिस्ट में आ चुकी होंगी. और अगर नहीं आए, तो don't lose hope. You're going to have to wait a little longer for the top 10 spots in the Times Most Desirable Women 2016. Tab tak, you keep watching Zoon. I'll be back in our last and final episode. See you then.